A blessed morning, everyone. For our daily verse, we are now at Genesis chapter 9, verse 1 to 5. And God blessed Noah and his sons, and said unto them, Be fruitful and multiply, and replenish the earth. And the fear of you and the dread of you shall be upon every beast of the earth, and upon every fowls of the air, upon all that moveth upon the earth, and upon all the fishes of the sea. Into your hands are they delivered. Every moving things that liveth shall be meant for you, even as the green herb have I given you all things. But flesh of the life thereof, which is the blood thereof, shall ye not eat. And surely your blood of your life will I require. In the hand of every beast will I require it. And at the hand of man, at the hand of every man's brother, I will require the life of man. So that's the reward of God given to Noah and his sons during that time, because Noah is the only righteous during that period, and he served God, and that's it. The reward given by God unto him is the authority over those animals. So even unto us, we do have authority over those animals.